Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 ABT 4Motion Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes in the pearlescent paint colour Deep Black Pearl and features a 2-litre bi-turbo engine pushing at 199 PS. The van also comes with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. Across the front of the vehicle, the van comes with LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights and features an ABT exterior styling pack, including a front lower splitter. This vehicle sits on the 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels finished in a high gloss black colour. To the rear of the vehicle there is some more of that ABT styling, complete with a rear roof spoiler, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view camera system. This, paired with the rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper, help you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look into the rear load area or boot space of this van, it comes with carpet lined sides as well as a floor mat, complete with multiple lashing points. There are also 2 speakers located in either side of the rear. The van comes with power sliding doors located on either side of the vehicle, behind which is a 3-seater passenger bench split in a 2-to-1 configuration and are finished in a lovely leather, complete with some white contrast stitching. Moving up to the driver's side of the vehicle and taking a look inside the driver's cab, there are 2 single seats for the driver and front passenger, again both in that lovely leather look and having 2 armrests apiece. The vehicle comes with some excellent creature comfort, such as an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, complete with nav and app connect, and the driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.